In this tutorial, I will show you the very easy main face retouching way. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl J. Then select this action and just click this play button. If your action icon is not showing here, then go to Window and click on this action. For load action, click here, then load action. Then locate your action folder and load the action. You can download this free action from the description box below. Now create a new layer, then select healing brush tool and convert current layer to current and below. Do not increase brush size too much. Hold Alt key and click on clear skin to copy, then brush on spot area. Now delete this adjustment layer. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift E. Then apply Vivid Light Blending Mode. Then go to Image menu to Adjustment to Invert. Then go to Filter, Other to High Pass. Again go to Filter menu to Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Now create a layer mask, then select the layer mask, go to Image menu, then Invert. Then choose Brush tool, select a soft brush, decrease flow and paint smoothly on skin defect area. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift E. Now go to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter and add some filter as shown. That's it, we are done. Thanks for watching.